Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, if you don't notice something about the appeal trial, viewers, it is that every piece of evidence brought against the teacher was looked at again by the 3-judge tribunal, viewers. The only thing, or the only piece of evidence that I see was not re-examined or re-looked at by the 3-judge tribunal was the statement presented by the crown witness himself. We, viewers and subscribers, as he was nicknamed for the trial. Now, it is very interesting to see that piece of evidence was not re-examined. It is almost like that piece of evidence is no longer a factor or no longer being factored in to this entire trial, viewers and subscribers. We know same is off the island currently. Yes, after the trial, we hear say he was flown out of the island, viewers and subscribers. So we know at this point in time and probably still currently overseas. But my thought is that he should have been brought here even one day for the whole vibe re-examined, unless they must say this is no longer a factor in the case. And with that statement being removed and all other evidence that was presented, meaning the cyber evidence, the text message them from Sean Storm and teacher, now being looked at as not credible, you can see why we are say freedom is a must, viewers and subscribers. You see why we are say freedom is definitely a must. The teacher will be returning, viewers and subscribers, to the streets. A stronger individual, not just a stronger artist, but a stronger individual, viewers and subscribers. When Mandela got through the situation, it only made him stronger. For everybody who has been through the situation where the teacher has been through, viewers and subscribers, wrongfully incarcerated, anytime them forward out, they are always a stronger individual. Somebody who can motivate, uplift, and show somebody, say, watch you know, you gonna have rough times, but if you stay focused and have the right mindset, you pray, work hard, it will work out in your favor, no matter how long it might seem to be taken to you. Because as I say, viewers and subscribers, this appeal is definitely one of the longest appeal that the courts have ever seen. We're not just talking about our personal opinion now. People who deal in court matters, I said this is definitely one of the longest appeal they ever hear about. Even if they are not working on the appeal directly, them say the longest one they ever hear about. From the lawyers to judges, everybody has said it was one of the longest trials that we have ever seen also. And it's not just because it was a high profile case, because we see them wrap up other high profile cases in a very timely fashion. So I would say, viewers and subscribers, there's always other forces at play. We can't tell why them take so long. We can't say it. We don't know. At this point in time, we are asked why. We don't see no more reasons why it should take the time why it take. But all we can do a day and wait patiently, just like the artists themselves, the individuals themselves. We are go through the situation. All them can do is pray and keep patient. And that is all we can content to viewers and subscribers. So if you all wonder, oh, we are talking about the appeal so much, I'm telling you already. If you don't want to hear about the teacher, if you don't want to hear about the appeal, stop follow me on my channel. Me I talk to you. Viewers and subscribers that have great concern. The teacher and his situation. I will not forget Sean Storm. We will not forget Madsus. And we will not forget Cairo. We will not forget none of them, viewers and subscribers, because the situation itself, when we look on the whole factor, I will bring them this up. We are saying more likely are just feelings. As the teacher said, all them are carry are just feelings, viewers and subscribers. Whether it's for the song them, whether it's for the notoriety, the fame, the success of the teacher, whether it's the fact that him is an individual will help out other individuals, we don't know. We don't know. I have a whole heap of things that we can credit to his merit. And say, yeah, the teacher do something good on a wide scale. So we don't know if one of those reasons, viewers and subscribers, are is the fact, say, yo, you know what I mean? Him represent for something where some other people decide, say, yo, them no want a superstar of his magnitude for represent for the inner city. Them don't want to make that transition there and start doing what see some other artists I do and almost look like them a style regular people. I said them no wear clocks, fruit of the looms and them. Nothing is wrong with you if you think elevated upon a certain status. But don't make it look bad upon the people who supported you from day one. The people who made you the superstar you are today. Whole heap of artists must take that route, viewers and subscribers. After notoriety, after becoming popular, it's almost like they must say, look what we have, and look what you have nothing. And it's almost like these songs are directed not to other artists, but to the individuals, the demographic who made them a superstar. Me not like that. As the father sucks, I say, me not like it. Me not like the vibe, viewers and subscribers. Me not like when me hear some artists and make some talk. Like them must say, oh, them better than we. We already know that your achievements have dwarfed the achievements of others. Well, monetary achievements rather. Kind of like say, yo, you know what I mean? One of the biggest things you can be on earth right now is a father. If he's a man. As individuals, one of the biggest things you can be is a parent, a loving parent who will guide the next generation forward. So, you know what I mean? Let's not just say achievements. I could say monetary achievements. Yeah, we know we're rich. Nah, if you flaunt it. Big up the teacher. Yeah, it's a hard so I would say, yo, me I wear clocks. You can wear the Nike, you do what you like. It's an artist who I say, yo, I drive Benz. But then again, the girl them like Carman overall. Yeah, it's an artist like that. Even though I say weed up on a certain level, it might big up everybody else too as well. I say Drake and Future dropped a video recently, and the concept of the video was working class people. Yeah, for big them up. Yeah, for big them up the working class people. When you go dance, how you think today? All the people them go work and then go some and schedule out them time. And I say, alright, if I even want 3 hours, we go pass through and all a vibe and all a energy. Yeah, remember say when the hustler work a 9 to 5, we have a punch in, they're almost like the same settings. You have to out there and put in the work. So how dear artists and entertainers disrespect those who are putting in the work, the blue collar citizens. They can't do it. And the artists we are doing, me now support them, and viewers and subscribers even notice that vibe of go on a holy parties and make it look that way there. Yeah, man. Big up all the artists who continue to represent for the people them. We continue to go back to them base community and show that energy back to the people who that said them from day one. And the teachers and artists like that. You know what I mean? Not only did he return to his community and show the strength, he must also help other individuals from the community as well. Because them own lane in music and entertainment. Big up the teacher, we need him a road. We need him a road, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to notice this situation with the appeal. Yeah, I'm going to notice say, the crown witness. We. I notice in the cross-examine back in statement. I mean, I present it now to the viewers and the subscribers. For your thoughts. Where you feel about that. Is it by coincidence? Because nothing that takes place in a court procedure should happen by coincidence. Everything should be done strategically. From the point of view of the defense, to the point of view of the prosecution, to the observation of the 3-judge tribunal. So no coincidence is supposed to take place. Everything should be happening strategically. So if it was strategic not to re-examine that statement, what does that say about that statement? Is it no longer a factor? Or is it so factual that them now go re-examine it? Definitely food for thought. Something that should be discussed, viewers and subscribers. Yes, definitely food for thought and something that should be discussed. Yeah, man. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers. You know how the something going. That was a quick recap on the entire vlog and the reason we just hold viewers and subscribers. Drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions in the comment section. Of course, be respectful and be mindful of the guidelines, but we can continue reasoning from the comment section. So drop your thoughts in your comments there. The like icon today as well. From a like way here, drop a like on the vlog viewers and subscribers. Yes, remember to drop a like on the vlog. The share icon is also there as well. So from right here on the platform, you can tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them, but check out the reasoning viewers and subscribers. So share the vlog. From you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, yes, and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. Move settings, fam. I we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love and prosper until we reason again. You know the something.